loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be reviewing this chestnut brown curly finger coil wig from UNice hair. This unit is 24 inches long with 150% density. This unit is their 7x5 HD lace closure Byebye slip wig. Before installing this unit, I went in to tint the lace and I used the Ruby Kisses foundation. So the first thing I'm doing is pinning the hair up and away from the hairline and then diving right into installing this wig. To lay this lace down, I went in with some spritz and I applied a generous amount of spritz onto the hairline. But make sure you're not applying too much of the spray onto the hairline because it'll leave the hairline looking messy. Then I went in with a blow dryer on a cool heat setting until the lace was fully glued down. Here I'm just making sure that the spritz is fully dry before going in with my elastic band. I went in with an elastic band and a blow dryer on a medium heat setting to melt this lace down. I did this process for about 3 minutes with the blow dryer and then without the blow dryer, leaving the elastic band on until after I finished styling this wig. When it comes to my curly units, I like to layer and face frame, and I do this because it goes with my face shape and it adds more shape to the wig. Then I went in with the Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. I like to use my finger to rub the product in because for some reason I feel like it gives the lace more of a natural look. At this point, the wig is installed, and to style the wig, I'm just fluffing the hair out, giving it more volume. I didn't want that flat curly hair look, so I like to just fluff the hair out and tease it a little bit. Off camera, I did add a little bit of mousse to the top of the hair just to take away some of the frizz. And here we have the final look of this UNice Ombre curly wig. I really grew to like the ombre look on this unit. At first I wasn't sure because I'm not big on ombre, but I feel like it complemented my skin tone so well. And the unit looked even better in natural lighting. I went outside and once the sun hit this ombre color, I actually started to like it more. Another thing that I like about this unit would be the coil ends. It gives the hair more personality and it makes the ends look thicker as well. Although it's a closure unit, the unit is versatile. You can wear it as a middle part wig or a side part wig. Here's how the back of the unit look. It shows a little bit more of the color in the ombre. It is very full. There's no gaps in between the hair either. And I think it looks really good from the back. For a colored unit, an ombre unit, this hair is still pretty soft. It doesn't have that like dry feel to it. And as far as the shedding, this hair had minimal shedding. I would definitely say that this unit is beginner friendly. It came fully pre-customized. All I had to do was install the unit. It took me no more than about 20 to 25 minutes to install and style this unit, and I was good to go. That concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and stay tuned for my next video.